Hi, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for coming to this workshop. My name is Lizhong Chen. I'm an assistant professor at Oregon State University. I'm also the director of the startup there. So this is the first workshop, AI-assisted design for architecture, or AIARC for short. I should really thank Dr. Daniel Wong from UC Riverside, who helped me to come up with this nice name. So the AIARC, it reflects our intention of using AI to aid the design of architecture. So that's AIARC. So the main theme of this workshop is to kind of put you and me out of jobs, because what we're trying to do is to use AI to optimize and automate design of computer architecture. And if we can really do that, we probably don't need too many computer architects. And in fact, I think it's a little bit dangerous about what we're trying to pursue here, because AI is used to speed up computers, which in turn are used to speed up AI. If this entire self-improving ecosystem is a reality, we're pretty much looking at Skynet from the Terminator franchise. But of course, we're still decades away from that fantasy. But I hope that today's workshop can help to plant a seed in people's mind. In order to do that, we prepared a very exciting workshop program for you today. You will hear different people from both industry and academia. First keynote speaker, Daniel Jimenez, he will talk a lot about ongoing research. And the second keynote speaker, Cliffy from Google, he will mostly talk from the industry perspective. And there's also 3 regular papers, which will give you specific examples how AI and machine learning might be able to apply to optimize computer systems in general. And talking about papers, I would like to take a moment to thank every members of the program committee. They sacrifice their time to select high-quality papers that you will see today. And I also like to thank my PhD student, Yongbing Gu. He helped me with numerous things on this workshop, and without him, this workshop is not possible. Lastly, for AIARC 2019, are we going to have the same workshop next year? Definitely yes. When I started organizing AIARC this year, I was a little bit worried if we can get 20 people to attend the workshop. But then the registration headcount quickly went up to 30, and then 40, 50, 60, and now we're at 76. So given this interest, we will definitely offer the workshop next year. And we'll likely expand the workshop to a full-day program, and we're trying to accept as many good papers as possible. But in order to do that, we need a lot of help, therefore I'm calling for your contributions, serving as a PC as well as submitting more papers. Of course, if you have any feedback, comments, or suggestions, just send me an email. Here's my email, or just trying to talk to me throughout the ESCOT. I'll be here for the next 2 days. Right? Without further ado, let's get into the first keynote speech.